that in basketball than it's going to cost you as the Warriors, right? Football, it is what it is. Look what the Rams did. They went all in for 1 year for a championship.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for Northwestern Harmon County in southwestern Oklahoma, Northwestern Greer County in southwestern Oklahoma, southern Beckham County in western Oklahoma, until 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:05 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 11 miles south of Texola, moving northeast at 70 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado and half-dollar size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Sayre, Eric, Carter, and Delhi.
Years